Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you my tips on how to make rice perfectly with or without a rice cooker. Also, we're going to cook a congee. First, let me show you two types of rice I have here. You guys always ask what kind of rice I use. As I said, I'm not so picky on rice, but this is the rice I normally use. It's a medium green rice from California. They call rose rice. Not because it smells like rose, because the shape of the rice. And on this side, I have jasmine rice, Thai rice. You can see this long green rice. It's thinner, right? Let's compare this to close up. You can see this is a rose rice, medium greens. And this is jasmine rice, non-greens, and also very fragrant. And today I'm going to use my rose rice. So I'm going to make 2 cups of rice in the rice cooker. So this rice cooker, you can only cook up to 3 cups. But I love this rice cooker. It was given to me by a friend as a gift, but this rice cooker is a little bit pricey, although it cooks perfectly. So we have 2 cups of rice. Now let me rinse it. So how many times should you rinse your rice? For this rice, my magic number is 7. I'm rinsing 7 times. This is 2. Just use my hand to stop any rices from going away. Five. See the water getting clear, right? Seven. That's it. So how much water do we need for 2 cups of rice? Normally you can have 2 cups water to 2 cups rice. When I make rice, I put just a little bit under 2 cups. So this is 1 and just under 3/4 cup. And if you want this softer, of course you can add over 2 cups. You just need to wipe this. Okay. And this rice cooker has a retractable cord. Plug in. Go to the menu. I normally use this quick menu. And it's singing, so it will take about 39 minutes till it sings again. And next I'm going to make a congee. For the congee, I have 1 cup of rice already rinsed, and I added 9 cups of cold water. So we just heat this on high and bring this to boil. Now our water is boiling. We're gonna add sweet potato dices. You can also use yam. And let this boil again. Now we cover the pot. Just leave a little bit opening, so this way the water is not going to overflow, and will turn to low to simmer about 35 minutes. I'm going to move to the other side of the stove. Now we're going to make a rice in the pot. So this is a non-stick pot. You can also use a stainless pot. So I have 2 cups of rice, and I added 2.5 cups of water. Let's first bring this to boil. Now the water is boiling. We turn the heat to medium. Let it cook about 5 to 6 minutes till you don't see the water on the top. After 6 minutes, you can see there's no water on top. We turn the heat to low and cover it. Let it simmer about 25 minutes. Let's check on the rice cooker. 1 minute to go. It's going to sing pretty soon. Come on. Da, 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 da. Rice is ready. You can see the keep warm button is on, the light is on, and we'll let the rice rest for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, another 2 rice, almost ready, another 40 minutes. Now both rice is ready. Look, we're gonna compare to the rice in the rice cooker, and the congee is ready. You see how rice expands. Just 1 cup of rice. Now we have a pot of congee. Let's open the rice cooker. Smells good. Stir it. Is it a perfect rice? And let's look at our rice in the pot. Looks great too, right? Perfect. So if I don't tell you how I made the rice, can you tell the difference? Not much difference, right? Okay, I'm going to try them. Let me try it. Can you tell the difference? Which is which? I think this one's from rice cooker. It's very similar, right? Perfect. That's how I like it. Less water. But like I said, you can make it softer the way you like. This is from the pot. Just as good. Seems as more chew. And you can store in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. Let's try the congee. Very comforting. Sweet potato is sweet. You can even add other vegetables, or there's seafood congee, or you can put chicken congee, all varieties. And all depends on how thick you like. Add more water if you want more liquid, or less water if you want it thicker. When I grew up, I ate a lot of congee, especially when I was sick. My mom always made the congee because it's easier to eat, easier to digest, especially when you have stomach problem. And you can even puree it. And please leave a message below. Let me know how you cook rice. And if you're interested in the rice cooker, I'm gonna list the link in the description box. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.